Okay guys, here's the 2025 1025R. First one I seen in person, thought I'd give you guys a look. Looks pretty much the same. Front end. Noticeable differences. Single point connector is by your foot instead of way up here, which is nicer because it gets rid of that bracket that goes right here where you can't get the hood off. But it's setting right there, right by the foot. Plenty of room to get on and off. And looks like it's got little different fog lights. The seat looks the same. Everything kind of looks the same. Obviously the dash is different. I don't have a key, so I can't light it up for you guys. And then obviously you've got the 4 here. And then this is a USB connector, right there. USB outlet, but if you watched a couple of my videos, actually it's a USB-C. And then your 12 volt still here. And then 3 empty spots. Otherwise the seat looks the same, but there's a wire in there for air ride seat when they come out with it. Otherwise this is a 2025. Where are we at? We're at Isani, Minnesota. Minnesota Equipment. Good guys here in Isani. Helped me out a lot. That's her. Thanks for watching.